The purpose of this project is to extend 1-inch Fusion Plus cross-chain swap to Bitcoin by leveraging the Litecoin network for instant Bitcoins. Bitcoin on the Lightning Network lives in its own world, while DeFi swaps live in another. Moving coins between them today is either slow, wrapped, or forces you to hand your BTC to a custodian. We plug Lightning Network straight into 1-inch Fusion Plus, so the swap goes smooth within seconds and no wrappers and no middleman required. For the proof of concept, we simply took the standard 1-inch Fusion Plus workflow and plugged Bitcoin Lightning Network into it. We offer instant Bitcoin settlement via Lightning Network, seamless integration, architectures designed to work with 1-inch Fusion Plus infrastructure, zero counterparty risk, hash time locked contracts ensure atomic execution, and high cost effectiveness because Lightning Network fees are very negligible compared to on-chain. In our demo, we implemented both scenarios, from Bitcoin to EVM and from EVM to Bitcoin. In scenarios, we implement behavior of 3 actors: Alice willing to swap tokens, Carol as a resolver, and Relay passing the messages between Carol and Alice. EVM. So first, Alice relays an order willing to swap Bitcoins. The order is received by resolver. Resolver issues Lightning Network invoice and uses Lightning Network invoice hashed secret to deposit escrow on smart contract. Escrow is deposited by resolver. Now Alice, she needs to pay Lightning invoice. When she pays Lightning invoice, she reveals the secret. The secret is revealed. And now she can use the secret to claim the tokens. Claimed tokens are processed this transaction. Let's check the transaction. The claim is successful. So Alice received the tokens, and from the balance we can see that she paid tokens to Bitcoins. So Alice issues invoice expressing where she wants to receive Bitcoins from resolver. Resolver provides its Ethereum address and waits for the deposit. So Alice now needs to create the deposit for the resolver. Resolver is waiting for the deposit. Alice is making deposit using the hash secret from the invoice she issued. Let's check the transaction. So the deposit transaction by Alice, the deposit is successful. Now resolver pays the invoice and reveals the secret and uses the secret to claim the tokens from Alice. The claim was successful. Resolver received tokens, and this completes the swap. So we're just checking that resolver claimed its deposit, and then we check the balance. So Alice received Bitcoins. For demo purposes, we created a minimalistic front end where user makes basic swap using Lightning Network. Basically, the benefit of it is that we bring capital from Bitcoin ecosystem to our Ethereum ecosystem. Thank you for watching.